We backfilled everything, made box outs, toilet, shower drain, filled everything in, and then we hand dug one more trench right here. Because that'll be a load-bearing wall for the trusses that will clear span this area, and all the roof weight will be right there. So, not all of it. Some of it will be out there, some of it will be in here. Anyway, I wanted that load to transfer all the way down and not break concrete. So, that's taken care of. Now I'm going to come over here to this little well house and start making some penetrations for water, power, and Ethernet. Eventually there'll be a step up over there for an RV, because that's where we're going to move the RV, and we need water and power. So it's going to come from in here and go that way. Hole's dug. Comes up here, sweep for power that would go out to the RV. And then I was going to stake this off so that this will hit center of our wall here. And I got thinking about this. This is my issue. Termites are a real problem around here. So one of the things we're going to do, instead of just taking and putting basically our bottom plate right on the concrete slab, we're going to do 3 courses of block. So that'll be 24 inches to keep them up off. And then we can basically see any termite tracks that come up before we hit our bottom plate. And we'll put a termite barrier. There's this copper foil stuff you can use and all that fun stuff. But in thinking about that, I don't want to use this stake right here, because that's literally an avenue for termites. You just come on up and through the block and eat away, and it's a direct path right to the bottom plate. So I am going to go get some rebar, cut it, and use rebar instead. It was 2 5/8 away. This guy's somewhere from me. So Shelly she's over at the chop saw cutting something, and she reminded me, water, power, and Ethernet. And we have one last trench to dig, and that goes well down over that way. So we're just going to run power coming out of the corner of the house to go down to power some lights. But it's like, well, there's a fire pit down there. You probably should add water in case something happens. That'd be a good thing. But I don't necessarily want to do Ethernet, but she's over at the chop saw, and she was cutting. And I say, so you don't know, apparently Shelly played French horn, and so in high school, and so she's cutting and stubbing up all of these and capping them, and next thing you know, I hear this. Still got it, babe. That's it. We're done for the day. Everything's backfilled. So there's all our stub ups in slab, well, house pad, what we call the well house slash, it's not really a garage because I can't fit a car in there, but yeah, I can't really fit a car. But I dug this. This trench was the last one I dug. Sorry. So from here, these two guys go all the way down there. Fire pit down there. So we're gonna run water and electric down there so we can put up post and party lights. But we need to get this dug because porches, we have 10-foot porches on 3 sides. So I needed to get that ready because it's Saturday. Monday, the concrete guy comes back. Hopefully he starts doing whatever he's got to do to finish all that. Clean that up a little bit. Set the other form. Level it. Add more cushion sand. Rebar. Well, vapor barrier, rebar. You get the idea. I don't know why I'm walking down here. I thought I was going to take the tractor home. I'm not taking the tractor home. I'm going to leave it right there because I don't need to go to the other side with it. Oh, look. Hey. What's up, buddy? You going to come? You jump it. Duke, don't do it. Don't do it. Stay. Let's go see our deer. This is our deer that we rescued several months ago. Hey, buddy. Hey, little butt. Little butt. Little butt. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Oh, yeah. That's a good scratch. Is that a good scratch? Is that a good scratch? Is that a good scratch? There you go.